Hello?
Hello?
Oh, I couldn't hear you. My volume was down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana Red Bull.
What was you saying now?
I said, no, that's it. I don't say nothing there, my man. It's the saga. Give me, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
but you
start
said
here.
you apologize. What's it you're apologizing
No,
for?
to me say a thief and a gentleman. I put the gentleman when I live nowhere in a seafood garden and I put hungry by the picnic. I tell you for taking money, so I must apologize to you, girl.
Well, I
I must apologize to you.
respect the apology still, but
I
you
must
see one thing it is.
apologize to you. Him not live no blood clot where thief to them not live nowhere. I tell you for taking money. I must apologize to you, boo.
Let me tell you something. Do you know what it is that I don't like? You have a platform and you know that you have a lot of people
I
on a
come in, my
platform.
boo call me.
Okay, go on.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set, but bless. You also know the story incomplete, the minute upon the beat, and as you can see on the screen. We have a whole lot to discuss in this one, people, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with dancehall artist Mavado's son being locked up and released on bail again. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because it seems like homeboy didn't learn him lesson. According to the police, him gone back to the same antics, wanting to be one done, one community that him father moved him out of to go live up in the hilltop in a Northbrook, you see me? And it seems to don't like that because uptown boring. So I'm going to pressure some youths in the streets, and the police them is saying that them use, one knockers and all of this stuff, you see me? I don't really know what go on from not to go on, my people, because the Brooks them is just into a lot of things. Because the law is still a get the 300,000 says you gonna make my father's life a living hell. You know what I mean? But my father's son look like he's doing a good job of that. Because my father just forward to Jamaica after 7 years and get the warrant lifted and all of these things, trying to progress forward. I know him son, well, Spock, the same problem. But when just again a quick update while going for that to go on this site, let's proceed to the next. Hello, business that we see going on have to deal with, Chev and Rosealee and Jakes, right? No, Rosealee apologized to Chev, as you heard in the beginning of the video. Because, one bagger with Rosealee and all type of people. You see, man, I said, Jake, money missing, not missing, all type of scamming on these things. I know Rosealee apologizing to Chev, someone who was accused of all the thievery. You know what I mean? As you know, Rosalie is facing fear, her own problem. Homegirl that she, demolished, is planning to sue her in Rio Hotel, and they definitely got a case because Rosalie invaded girl's space who had no choice but to pop off. You know what I mean? Because, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. You see me? So only can swing pan a boom bye news channel after I done that video, yeah. And check out where the mother and Ab Diamond and all of these people have to say about the lawsuit. You know what I mean? But let's knock off this off of our chest. You see me? I say the chef part.
Recording yesterday, Sassy's playing and Jakes is talking about how he's glad that he got rid of me. Show you them. I could show you the message and then play, but I'm just gonna press play. And these are recordings that were sent to me. This isn't no phone calls recorded or nothing like that. Yeah, this ain't got nothing. Your body don't look good, and all when my body don't blood clot look good. On a father still want me. On a brother them still want me. A pussy me have. The fuck?
What am I doing for you? What am I doing?
I told Jakes I don't want nothing to do with him. Yeah, I don't want nothing to do with him. Because the things them that are happening, the things them that I'm seeing, I do not agree with them. Anyway, listen now. Does this sound like somebody that left me? Sorry, screenshotted.
What am I doing? What am I doing for you? What am I doing? Babes, what am I doing? No argument not going last time for you, babe, so not talking the last time for you, babe, so brother. Chevy.
Oh boy. It must have been the voice to Pussy Ross Clark. It must have been the voice. Anyway, this little sound like somebody that wanted to get rid of me.
Chev, baby, you need to think about what the fuck you do. Stop and think about everything what you do. Yeah?
Sorry. Because wait, sorry, I got a pause. I got distracted. Somebody added somebody in my comments, and you're saying, "Yo, let me block you," because just because you're that person's friend doesn't mean that you're mine. You can fuck off. Yeah, you can fuck off. Anyway, let's play it back.
Chev, baby, you need to think about what the fuck you do. Stop and think about everything what you do. Yeah? So until you come back around and come back to normal, I give my bank information. I can't do that. I do the fuck you come talk to me. No. Me and I have nothing at all to come talk about dog. I done this, I done that, I done this, I done that. So anything I have to hold on pay me, hold on pay you.
So let me explain now. Remember, I was explaining to you guys the breakdown of the 5 accounts that I have. There's 2 accounts out of the 5 that I do not use. So when he had asked me to clear the money for him, yeah, me decide to, all right then, here we go on. I'm going to put his money in an account that I do not use. So no money ain't going in there, no money ain't coming out. So guess what? It now mixed with the money when me have. Yeah, can nobody now go come tell the blood clot like for me. You understand? I put it in the account that I do not use. One of the accounts that I do not use. And when he asked me for the money, so here we go on now. A lot of people them that's around him, yeah, because money is running now, or money is making, they know some money is making. Every minute they're pressuring him to spend blood clot money. Every minute they're pressuring him to spend money. So here what Jakes does now, because the money isn't going into his account, it's going to somebody called AJ. Yeah. The money is going into somebody called AJ's account. AJ has access to the account. So Jakes can't come and say, oh, Mina and Monica, guess what? AJ I got bust it up and say, what, but well on there. Chevy never just send you 100,000. Chevy never just send you 100,000. So Jakes, I make me send him the money. Peace. Jakes is making me spend the money, send the money to him. Peace. When he want it, I'm spending it. Now I gotta go on gingerbread because my son's here. No, I'm gonna come and talk exactly how it go. I'm coming to talk exactly how it go. So the peace money that he's making me send to him is because he explained to me, so every minute them down there, I pressure him for spend. Yeah, spend money on rum, spend money on this, spend money on that. And he doesn't want to be in his money. So what he would like me to do is send him the money peace, because it's not going directly to his account. Yeah, it's not directly going to his account, and whoever's account is going to, they have access to see what's coming in. Are you guys following? Because this is the last time I'm going to talk about this money situation. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, I couldn't hear you. My volume was down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana Red Bull.
What was you saying now?
I said, no, I don't say nothing there, my man. It's still the saga. Give me, I'm
Yeah,
going to
but you
start
see, you apologize. What's it you're apologizing for?
No, to me say a thief and a gentleman. I put the gentleman when I live nowhere in a seafood garden and I put hungry by the picnic. I tell you for taking money, so I must apologize to you, girl.
Well, I
No must apologize to you.
respect the apology still, but
No
you
must
see one thing it is.
apologize to you. Him not live no blood clot where thief to them not live nowhere. I tell you for taking money. I must apologize to you, boo.
Let me tell you something. Do you know what it is that I don't like? You have a platform and you know that you have a lot of people on the platform.
My boo call me.
Okay, go on. Yeah. Well, the apology. Yeah, I don't. So you lot need to lift up off of me. You lot need to, lift up off of me. Nothing don't gossip. And that's what I like. People that take accountability. She said that she's wrong for saying it because she hear it now for herself. She hear it now for herself. So the rest of Honor Sherlock Holmes, detectives, yeah, Blues Clues, and all of these things on the lift up off of me. Lift up off of me. For those of you that are wondering, oh, but wait, she can speak patois. Yes, I am of Jamaican descent. I spent a lot of time in Jamaica growing up. So yes, me know of a chip in the patois, me can talk it. I don't act certain way upon the social media because I have a young child. Yeah? And my son is at that stage of age where he's able to repeat things. You know when they say kids are like sponge? So that's why you guys see me playing my music and you hear me acting a certain way, because if you check it, a lot of these people that act certain way on social media, you hear how their kids answer them. You hear how their kids answer them and how their kids talk to them as though they are their friends. There's certain things I'm not going to allow my baby to listen to. Yeah? So I can do the cussing. I can't tell somebody if I go suck them mother or suck them granny or go dig up this and dig up. I can do it. I choose not to do it. I choose not to do it because at the same time, I feel like, say, I'm too mature for that now. I'm no longer in that era where, guess what? More for angle this and angle that. No. I know how to articulate myself. So guess what? Really and truly, I don't need to be in argument with somebody, but I can if I want to be. I'm not in a giant church. I could have come and played these things long time. Yeah? But I said, you know what? I'm going to still hold some kind of respect for this man and not put certain things out there. But why the fuck am I saving? Why am I saving everybody and everybody's throwing me under the bus? Or you know that a narrative isn't right and you're allowing it to run. That shit don't sit well with me. Yeah? Me as somebody pitney to. Me as somebody grandchild to. And me as somebody mother to. My past. Yeah, the past that I have and the past that these people come and talk about. I tell you lot all the time, and it's a saying that you lot hear too. May he who be free of sin cast the first stone. Yeah? I'm not an angel. However, you see this little pit that I have, the 2-year-old I have. Him changed me into a better woman and a mother that I am today. So guess what? Here we go on now. Them for lucky say I change my change. Them for lucky say I change my change. Because I'm telling you, not even the proxin, not even cocodamol could solve the headache with them would I have. I mean, I tell you that straight. Yeah? Naproxen couldn't help them. Ibuprofen couldn't help them. Paracetamol couldn't help them. So you lot ease up off of me now about this Ross money that don't even freaking exist. It's gone from 9K to 15K to 17K. And it's like, Dawn just keeps adding the numbers on. Lift up off of me and ease up off of me, man, because none of you are perfect. And yes, I have a past. Yes, I used to indulge in certain things. Yeah, half of the things that are out there of me ain't even true. It's Chinese whispers. You don't know how Chinese whispers go. One person tell a story and then guess what? By the time it reach back, the story twists up in a 50 different friggin' way. Things get added on to the truth to make it seem like, say, guess what? All right, then that little bit of truth was in there. So guess what? The rest of it, I must say it go because there's that to the truth. Am I going to come and clear up everything? No, I'm not going to do that. Whatever you believe, you can believe it. But one thing I'm not going to allow you to keep doing is dragging my name, calling me a thief. Whether I know I sit down on a live and I play certain music or whatever. At this point, you lot run with whatever it is that you're running with because I know the truth. You haven't got no one to do it. He said no. He's asking if I can do it for him. As I got a PayPal, and I said, yes, I do have a PayPal. That's how I've ended up coming in the picture because Jakes could not withdraw none of his money that he had around there. At the time when he had told me this, he had, I think it was 2,400 USD. Yeah? Remember I said a pound me work with, you know. He had 2,400 USD waiting, just sat there waiting, and he didn't know what he was going to do or how he was going to get the money out. Okay, he asked me if I could, and I said to him, do you know what? I was reluctant. Not because I don't trust myself, but because I didn't want to be in no money argument with nobody. Yeah? So I said, okay, then here is what we're going to do. I'm going to give you access to the PayPal. If the money is coming out of my PayPal, you're going to be able to see what is going in, what is coming out. And I gave him access. No one ain't talking, okay, I favor kangaroo, that's fine. I'm from Australia today. Yeah, I gave him access to the PayPal.
Even though some, what the fuck you tell me what you done with me for this? I'm putting that was no account number and left it up, brother. If you even do something, baby girl, it must carry reason true. Come on, Chev, yo, brother. Baby, me not going fit, no. Me not going fit, no.
No one didn't record him. Those are voice notes. I impress record. I impress send. No conversation that me and Jakes had other than the voice notes that he sent. I do not have. Yeah? So you lot need to lift up off of my blood clot name now in regards to this fucking 9K that don't even fucking exist, first of all. Okay? The 9K that doesn't even exist. And if any money, yeah, was taken, Jake said for me to keep, and I still did not. So tell Blue's Clues, tell Sherlock Holmes and the CSI detectives that's run on one place, run on one part, will keep a try mix me, for stop mix me, and I am no longer a suspect. Make them know, say, make Blue's Clues know, make Sherlock Holmes know, make everybody know, say, everybody that is a part of the detective case and all the inspectors and the detectives, let them know that I am no longer a suspect, okay? If they can take the bright light off of me, that would be good. I would really appreciate it. Okay? Right. Long time I could have come and play. I'm actually sick and tired of going into certain lives and people are just, the screen recorders as well, because it's clickbait. I admitted to. No, what had happened is you lot told me that I took the money. As much as the amount of times that I said, I come out and said I ain't got nothing to do with no money going missing. Yeah? I ain't got nothing to do with any of the money that's gone missing. If money has been missing, I wasn't even aware until you lot are now saying money is missing. When me tell them no, them say I did. When I then told them that, okay, here we go on. Yes, me take it. What now? Yeah, yes, me take it. What no? Everybody said, no, it wasn't you, Rose. No, it wasn't you, it was this. No, make up on a bomber clock, mine. AKEEM's wife forever. My apologies. Wait, who is that Rose? Oh. Hey, DJ Marvin, you okay, babe? So he can see everything that's going into the account and what is... You understand what I'm saying to you? When he's transferring... You can just see anything that's coming in from anybody. You can see what's coming in and out. He can see what's coming in and out of the account because there's people wanting to make donations and all of these things.
As usual, people, I'm not buying what they're selling. I'm just doing the Lord's work. I'm being the messenger. Somebody says, so put in the comment section what you think about this whole ordeal. You see me? Anyway, I ain't not going to long with this no longer because I have more bagga mix up for job for owner, you see me? Right? So, on the following all of my sub platform them, you know. Because we'll go live on TikTok later, you know, you see me? Kingmixup channel and Kingmixup one word, you see me? Right? Do the right thing and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.